Wait a minute, how come this massive project by Imo State government is not trending yet? Like the biggest tech hub in Nigeria is now in Imo State. You all remember mid last year, 2025, when this project was started and a lot of people doubted it if it would ever be completed.
I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even do you even leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even do you even I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your do you even
Well, fast forward to April 2026, Governor Hope Uzodimma has delivered what is now being described as one of the biggest tech hubs in Nigeria, if not the biggest. Right in the heart of Owerri, the Imo Digital City is taking shape, and not just as another government project, but as a full-blown innovations ecosystem. We are talking about a tech hub that will host startups, training centers, co-working spaces, and advanced digital infrastructure designed to drive innovation and economic growth.
I really should've known. Ain't with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's down for us.
And here's the part that makes this even more interesting. Imo State is not just building a tech hub, it is already assembling its own gadgets right inside this digital city. Somebody shouts power. Yes, you heard that right. The state is reportedly in talks with indigenous mobile company, which means local device production could soon become a reality at scale.
We were sparks on quiet streets, Two hearts finding where to meet, but life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be.
From the videos making waves online, this place looks almost fully complete, about 95% done. The buildings are already painted, the roads are tarred, and the interiors clean, modern, sophisticated. This is not your regular government facility. This looks like something straight out of a global tech ecosystem. Now think about it this way. Imo State has over 8 tertiary institutions. That means a huge population of young, educated people ready to plug into opportunities like this. And the government is not stopping here. There's also the Skill Up Imo initiative aimed at training over 20,000 youths in global tech skills. And the goal is to position Imo youths for international opportunities while boosting the local economy. Hope is really working, but somehow it doesn't get the kind of PR some other governors get. Because if you are being honest, this right here is a big deal. This is how you position a state for the future. This is how you tap into the digital economy. Imo is quietly placing itself at the forefront of Nigeria's tech revolution, and if this is properly managed, this could change everything from jobs to innovation to global relevance. And remember, Imo now assembles its own gadgets right in this digital city. Hey, before I forget, a special shout out to Gaius AK for a token of 10,000 naira, and we at Update People TV say a very big thank you. Please kindly support what we do here on Update People TV, and we'll see you in the next one.
Same time the stars